Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into MediaFire, upload and share files step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to MediaFire.com. Click the login button at the top right of the MediaFire homepage. Enter your email address or username in the first field. Enter your password in the second field. Check that caps lock is off to avoid password mistakes. Click the login button to access your account. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password and follow the reset instructions. After logging in, confirm you are on your main dashboard with your file list. Locate the Upload button on the page, usually near the top of the dashboard. Click Upload to open the Upload window. Choose Files if you want to upload individual items, or choose Folder for multiple files at once. Select the file or folder from your computer and click Open or Select. Wait for the upload progress bar to reach 100%. If the upload is slow, keep the tab open and avoid refreshing the page. When the upload finishes, find the new file in your MediaFire file list. Click the file once to highlight it. Look for the Share or Get Link option in the File Actions menu. Click Share to generate a shareable link. Copy the link to your clipboard using the Copy button. Open a new tab to test the link and confirm it loads correctly. If you want more control, open Sharing Settings to manage who can access the file. Set privacy options if available, such as limiting access or disabling public listing. To share by email, paste the link into an email message and add a clear file description. To share on social media, paste the link into your post and verify the preview looks correct. To organize uploads, create a folder and move your file into it for easier access later. To rename a file, use the Rename option so recipients understand what they are downloading. To delete a file you no longer want online, select it and choose Delete, then Confirm. Always review your shared files and remove links you no longer need to keep your account secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.